Hello and welcome to LitExtension, the ultimate shopping cart migration expert. In today's video, we will guide you through a tutorial on how to install a brand new Magento 2 store. To get the first touch with Magento, access Magento Resource Download and download Magento 2. Later on, you will need FTP to transfer the Magento archive to the local system. It is an approach to migrate files from your computer to your managed server. In this tutorial, we will use FileZilla. Log in as SSH, then navigate to the folder that you want to set up. After download the Magento zip file, use FileZilla to upload it to the root folder of the website. After that, you will need to use Putty. Putty is a free open source terminal emulator, serial console, and a network file transfer application. Log in Putty SSH. Type the following commands to access the folder. Now unzip the file. Type the command to change the permission for the folder which has just been unzipped. Log in database and create a database folder to store the data of your Magento 2 store. Now access the server and start creating Magento 2 store. Click Agree and set up Magento. Click Start Readiness Check. At this step, enter all the necessary information related to the database. Enter the following information to customize your store. Having completed all the previous steps in the setup wizard, click Install now. Now just wait until your store is fully set up. That is a complete guideline on how to install a brand new Magento 2 store. If you are already on the track of being an e-commerce merchant and simply want to experience Magento 2, give it a try. The extension provides migration service to Magento 2 from more than 85 shopping carts with top-notch quality. Launch a free demo at our website to preview the process. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe our channel for more migration tutorials. Happy migration!